888, or actually 2 8s, not 3, which was interesting. Trying it out with my QRP rig and an antenna I sort of threw together on the back of the truck and over to a tree. Did pretty well. I worked a state out in Minnesota, and I worked a state down in South Carolina, right about where Myrtle Beach is. So that was fun. Beyond that, looking forward to later tonight when we'll be running the Assuming Swap and Shop net and then the Tech net coming up at 8 o'clock. Thank you again for running the net tonight, Judy. This is K2JLV. Back to you.
And thanks for joining us, Dave. Good to hear you. Well, glad you got outside and set up your antenna and did all that work. Talking to people in Minnesota and South Carolina. Oh, I've been to Myrtle Beach and North Myrtle Beach in South Carolina. It's nice there, but also hot. Okay, thanks for joining us. Good to hear you. Moving on down the list, we're back to KD2, MNR Mike. Mike, what else?
A lot of mushrooms and some macaroni, and still got to figure out a vegetable and some other stuff. So, yeah, but that's where I'm headed. While I was listening to the net go on, I'm still messing with my Raspberry Pi here. I got a new power supply for it. It's a Pi 3, an older Raspberry Pi, but I got a better power supply. Now it's running without giving me the low voltage warning. And I've also hooked up a LCD screen to it, a 3.5-inch screen, and plugged my smart NESDR dongle into it, new elec, and runs that in the screen with no complaints. It's not getting hot. Everything's working. So, yeah, so far so good. No smoke. So I've just been playing with that, having fun. Anyhow, I look forward to tonight's nets, and I've enjoyed this one. And 7-3, everybody. KB2, JGF, back to net.
Thanks for joining us, Matt. 73, back to you. And no smoke when you plug something in, when you're using something, is really good. If you're not trying to barbecue something, you don't want any smoke coming out of your equipment. So, okay, thanks for joining us. Good to hear you. And last on the list is AC2KV, Chris. Chris, what else would you like to share with everybody?
Don't think I have anything else, but Judy, boy, zucchini fritters. I'm thinking the heck with the lemon chicken orzo salad. I'm going to come over for some zucchini fritters for dinner. Just everyone have a good evening, and we'll talk soon. Back to you, Judy, AC2KV.
Knew they'd be coming by. Let's see if we can get a bit of them without scaring them. This is great.